Do you understand English but still struggle to speak? Do you translate every sentence in your mind? And by the time you speak, the moment is already gone. You are not alone. This is the biggest problem most learners face. But here is the truth. Fluency does not come from translating. It comes from thinking directly in English. And today, you are going to practice exactly that. This is not theory. This is real practice. If you follow this session till the end, you will feel the difference. So please, do not skip this video. Stay with me, practice with me. Also, watch episode 1, 2, and 3 after this. They will strengthen your foundation. Now, relax your mind. No pressure. Just think and speak. Let's begin.
Look around you. What do you see? I am sitting. Say it with me. I am sitting. I am in my room. Repeat with me. I am in my room. I am holding my phone. Say it slowly. I am holding my phone. I am watching this video. Repeat with me. I am watching this video. Now think about your actions. I am learning English. Repeat with me. I am learning English. I am improving every day. Say it clearly. I am improving every day. I am focusing on practice. Again. I am focusing on practice. I am building confidence. Repeat with me. I am building confidence. Now think about your daily routine. I wake up early. Repeat with me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. Say it slowly. I brush my teeth. I drink water. Again. I drink water. I eat my breakfast. Repeat with me. I eat my breakfast. I go to work. Say it clearly. I go to work. Now think about movement. I am walking. Repeat with me. I am walking. I am going outside. Say it again. I am going outside. I am coming back home. Repeat with me. I am coming back home. Now think about future. I will practice tomorrow. Repeat with me. I will practice tomorrow. I will speak better. Say it clearly. I will speak better. I will become fluent. Repeat with me. I will become fluent. Now think about feelings. I feel happy. Repeat with me. I feel happy. I feel confident. Say it clearly. I feel confident. I feel motivated. Repeat with me. I feel motivated. I feel relaxed. Again. I feel relaxed. Now combine everything. I am sitting in my room. I am watching this video. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I feel confident. Now try to think on your own.
Very good. You are now thinking in English. Remember, keep it simple. Do not translate. Use small sentences. Practice daily. Even 5 minutes a day can change your fluency. If this session helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to RFQ English Lab. Keep practicing. Stay consistent. I will see you in the next session.